I spend a lot of time in my own home garden growing our own foods because that's how I can ensure that I'm giving my family the best quality foods that I possibly can in an affordable way.
Just want to get to the clear, beautiful, golden liquid.
So these are actually seed gardens.
The easiest technique, especially when you're dealing with a small amount of seeds, is simply to shell them by hand.
Once you start going, just go.
Twist at the stem and pull out the center.
The most perfect emergency kit.
How to thrive as an operation when raising heritage swine.
And I'm going to sprinkle this on to the piece of meat.
I don't think I've ever had quite this opportunity.